Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to replace a graphics card. First, let's prepare. You'll need a Phillips head screwdriver and an anti-static wrist strap to protect components. Always back up your important data before making hardware changes. Power down your computer completely and unplug all cables from the back. Finally, ensure your workspace is clean and well lit to avoid misplacing any small screws or parts during the process. Now let's remove the old card. Begin by opening your computer case. Usually this involves removing 2 or 3 screws on the back panel. Locate your graphics card, which is typically the largest card plugged into a PCIe slot. Disconnect any 6-pin or 8-pin power cables connected to it. Then, unscrew the single retention screw holding the card to the case. Finally, press the small release clip at the end of the PCIe slot and gently pull the card straight out. With the old card out, it's time for the new one. Carefully unbox your new graphics card, handling it only by its edges to avoid touching the contacts. Align the card with the empty PCIe slot on your motherboard. Gently push the card down firmly until you hear a click, indicating it's securely seated. Reattach the single retention screw to hold the card in place. Finally, connect the necessary 6-pin or 8-pin power cables from your power supply to the new graphics card. Almost done, close your computer case and reattach the side panel screws. Reconnect all external cables, including your monitor, keyboard, mouse, and power cord. Power on your computer and let it boot into your operating system. The most crucial step now is to install the latest graphics drivers for your new card, usually found on the manufacturer's website. After installation, verify that the card is recognized and performing correctly in your system settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.